What is the minimum age to contest elections for the Lok Sabha in India? Answer is A. 25 years. Which article of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to equality? Answer is A. Article 14. What is the capital of Australia? Answer is C. Canberra. What is the capital of Canada? Answer is B. Ottawa. What year did World War II end? Answer is B. 1945. Who was the leader of the Soviet Union during World War II? Answer is B. Joseph Stalin. Who is known as the father of modern physics? Answer is B. Albert Einstein. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Answer is C. Mars. Thundercloud happens in which layer of the atmosphere? Answer is C. Troposphere. What year was the first Nobel Prize awarded? Answer is A. 1901. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Answer is C. Lord Mountbatten. The word ecosystem was coined by? Answer is D. A.G. Tansley. Which vitamins help in the clotting of blood? Answer is C. Vitamin K. Which of the following is a low-grade brown coal? Answer is D. Lignite. Whose birthday is celebrated as International Day of Nonviolence? Answer is D. Mahatma Gandhi. Which of the following states have the highest literacy rate according to Census 2011? Answer is D. Kerala. Which of the following states have the lowest literacy rate according to Census 2011? Answer is C. Bihar. Aga Khan Cup is related to which sport? Answer is A. Hockey. Rovers Cup is related to which sport? Answer is C. Football. India has the longest international border with which country? Answer is B. Bangladesh. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Peace Prize? Answer is A. Rabindranath Tagore. Which state is the major producer of rice in India? Answer is D. West Bengal. Which of the following is represented by Lorentz curve? Answer is D. Income distribution. Who estimated the national income for the first time in India? Answer is B. Dadabhai Naoroji. Smallest island country in the Indian Ocean is? Answer is A. Maldives. Which state has the highest number of national parks in India? Answer is B. Madhya Pradesh. Where is Clouded Leopard National Park located? Answer is A. Tripura. Which is the only Indian state which has no national park? Answer is B. Punjab. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who wrote the book India After Gandhi? Answer is A. Ramchandra Guha. Who wrote the book Oliver Twist? Answer is B. Charles Dickens. Bark of this tree is used as a condiment. Answer is C. Cinnamon. Sirius, the brightest star outside solar system, is also called dash. Answer is B. Dog star. Precipitation in the form of a mixture of rain and snow is called. Answer is C. Sleet. The energy of wind is. Answer is B. Only kinetic. Which of the following is the best fire extinguisher? Answer is C. Carbon dioxide. Chauri Chara incident took place in. Answer is C. 1922. Salt March, also known as Dandi March, was initiated by dash. Answer is B. Mahatma Gandhi. Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by dash. Answer is C. President of India. The Attorney General of India is appointed by whom? Answer is C. President of India.